So this is what I found under hood of my BMW today when changing engine air filter. From what I can see, it looks like leak from filter cap rather than filter housing gasket. I'm not sure if this little gap causing it or it's a sealing ring. Anyway, got a new replacement cap and hope this will solve the problem. I don't see that little gap on new filter, so that was probably the issue. After installation, I cleaned the area around the filter housing and will be monitoring for the next few days. That is all for this one. Check my list of how-to videos for BMW and other vehicles. Click like if it was helpful and consider subscribing for more tips and how to. Have a good day and safe driving. Cheers.